Hi again, welcome back to Backyard Videos. So guys, today it is Sunday, July 25th, 2021. Now guys, today is in the second episode of the day. What just happened? Whoa, that's not good. That is not good at all. Oh, okay, this came undone. Now I can see why that happened. Whoa! Okay, we got a bit of a mess. I see. Oh, and yes, this is for later. That's for the last episode of the day, which is coming out soon. All right, everybody. The current time is 7:11 p.m. So, currently, we're going to tear down this project. No, we're not making a project in this episode. That's for the last episode of the day. All right. My God, I cannot believe we did that whole collapse everything here. What the? Wow, there are sure a lot of things in here. Well, I guess we're going to fix the workshop, I guess, after what just happened. And yes, I did clean off the soccer ball after yesterday. In day 4. Oh my God. Yeah, I really need to replace this dodgeball. My God. It's in pretty much the same condition as the green one is why I had to replace it. Oh boy, time for another dodgeball, I guess. Yay. I only had this one since Christmas of 2018, and it already is in this condition? Really? That's probably because I've had it out here all this time over the last 3 years. Ever since I got it. Well, the rest of this is still here from previous years. Prior to this. There we go. All fixed. Except for this. Yep. Okay, a few other things fell. Sweet. All right, everybody. So yeah, there we go. Everything's fine. Everything's fixed. Hopefully, at least. Or not. Honestly, I have absolutely no clue. Oh, wait. Hold on. That's not. That's supposed to be up here. Oh, yeah. This stuff is actually meant to be over here, too. So, let me go ahead and rearrange this. Wow. There's a lot more going here than I thought. Ugh, come on. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Got it. Got it. Finally. Put everything back, by the way. Actually, I probably shouldn't because I want to continue searching here. Okay, yeah, I have no idea why, this is still in here. This is from October. We're going to search for the rest of this rock tower for the project later. Yeah, the rock jar for the project later. Oh, right. Might want to do this. Nope. I forgot. This is not the pile of rocks out at the ranch. Ah! Although I will be seeing that soon. In around 8 days. Nice, because I go to the ranch on August 2nd. Alright, with that being said, everybody. Alright, have we fixed everything from the destruction that was the beginning of the video? Oh, ho, ho, ho! All this is cracking up. Oh, God. Again, save for later. Oh, look at the logo. It's pretty much all faded at this point. Well, it really won't matter since it's ending in like 2 days. Yes, it ends on day 7 because I won't be here in the middle of that day. Oh, forgot one. Am I able to get it? Oh, almost had it. Or probably not even at all. Okay, what do I keep it stepping over anyway? Oh, that. Yeah, that's nothing special. Right, I gotta fix the rest of the workshop. There we go, all done. Now, we don't have to worry about anything else. Oh, hold on. I don't even know what this is for, but oh wait, hold on. This is part of one of the shelves back in the day. Uh-oh, storage is getting full again. Well, we're pretty much done actually, so I really don't care if the video cuts out. All right, yeah. Well, in actual reality, guys, we're actually gonna, put it back where properly belongs. That's right here. God dang it! Come on! Finally, all right, we're done fixing the workshop. So that's I guess an episode right there. I had another episode planned before the project, and this wasn't one of them. This actually happened out of absolutely nowhere. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Okay, good. We didn't knock it down this time. Yay!